Is it maybe worth playing with strangers? There you go. It's okay if you want to go for that piece. You're not going to eat the one in my hand? Good job. All right, we're going to keep it real basic because he's kind of afraid of me. We're not sure. Just over here. Good job. And now over here. Yeah, too much. Too scary. And over here. Good job, see? We're training him. It's not much, but it's something. Good. Don't get scared and run off.
You get easily distracted, don't you?
And a little further. Good job. Now. Fingy, orient, millets. Fingy, orient, millets. Whoops, too much. Here you go. Millets. Fingy. Good. See, looking at people makes good things happen. Fingies. Hello. Good. Good job. Finger. Good. Finger. Good. Follow the finger. You're eating all the millets. Finger. You eat those first. Good. Good. So part of this game is the finger tells him where the millet's going to appear. Here's a finger. Good. And oh look, there's millets. He says, but I'm busy with my own. What, you see my phone? My phone is scary. Whenever you're ready. Good. Good. So scared. You eat that finger. Good. And millet. Boring. Finger. Good. He's getting full. You want to go over to Mom? You can have another from me. Now I stole you. Now you like me more. Oh.
Oh, what was that noise? What was that noise? Come on.
Watch for the shuffle. Yep.
Yeah. You're trying to hold on to it.
Your arm's gonna fall over.
Come on. First, like, what am I missing out on? Come on.
Yay, reward, reward, reward. Let her just sit there and eat now. Big reward. There you go.
Good girl. A little more? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, please don't fly.
So slowly start sliding her back to the edge of the door, to your left. Just move the millet around so she pivots. Yep.
Good girl. Do you want to come down? Hey, you want to come down for your cuddles? Yeah.
That's okay.
Good girl.
Yep. She probably wants to go back.
Good girl.
And guess who showed up?
Good girl.
Willow showed up.